Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel, Conceptual Chemistry Demystified by John HBK. Today, we will be demystifying electrophiles and nucleophiles. I hope the image tells you everything. Our learning objective: what is electrophile? What is nucleophile? To able to identify them and few examples of each. Next, what is electrophiles? Electrophiles are electron loving. They are either positively charged or neutral species. They are electron deficient. It accepts a pair of an electron and forms a covalent bond, and also they are called as Lewis acids. They undergo electrophilic addition and substitution reaction. Nucleophiles. Nucleophiles are nucleus loving. Nucleophiles. Nucleophiles. They are either negatively charged or neutral. They are electron rich. It donates a pair of an electron to form a covalent bond. They are also called as Lewis base, and they undergo nucleophilic addition and substitution reaction. Now, let's put some light on examples of electrophiles. First, we'll look into the charged species. For example, NO plus, nitronium ion, HSO3 plus, hydrogen sulfate ion, R plus, alkyl ion, RC double bond O plus, asylum ion, Br plus, bromine ion, NO plus, nitrosilium ion, H plus, proton or H3O plus, hydronium ion. Now, you see they are all positively charged species. Now, is it Na plus an example of charged electrophile? Is Na plus an electrophile? No. Na plus is not an electrophile because it has a complete octet and it will not accept electron pair to form a covalent bond. Therefore, Na plus is not an electrophile. Now let's see some examples of neutral species. CO plus, CO2, AlCl3, BF3, FeCl3. These are examples of neutral species. These are basically Lewis acid. They accept electron pair. For example, BF3. If you see BF3, boron has bonded with 3 fluoride ions and it has 6 electron pair. So therefore, it can accept an electron pair from a nucleophile and therefore it acts as a electrophile. So BF3, AlCl3, FeCl3 are electron deficient species and they can accept electron pair. Now let's see some examples of nucleophile. In charged nucleophile, Cl minus, where chloride has an extra electron pair, Br minus, I minus, OH ions, they all have an extra pair of electron. Alkoxide ion, then hydrogen sulfide ion, alkyl sulfide ions, azide ion N3 minus, cyanide ion Cn minus, where carbon or nitrogen both have electron pair, and this is alkalinide ion where carbon has an electron pair. So here they all have an extra electron pair and they donate to form a covalent bond. They all have negatively charged species. Now let's see some neutral species. Water, H2O, they have an extra electron pair. Alcohol, carboxylic acid, hydrogen sulfide, alkyl sulfides, ammonia, primary amines or secondary amines or tertiary amines, they all can come under the examples of neutral species of electrophiles. Let's see how an electrophile reacts with a nucleophile in a chemical reaction. I am not discussing the entire mechanism. During a mechanism, electrophiles and nucleophiles are generated and they interact. We will see a detailed video of how the interaction or the types of mechanisms in another video. Now, for this video, we are just taking a common example. Now, for example, an electrophile like asylum ion are C double bond O plus. Now, this entire molecule is an electrophile. But if you see, the carbon is electron deficient and this is called as electrophilic center. It is called as the electrophilic center. Whereas if I take an example of a nucleophile, say for example hydroxide ion, so this is a nucleophile. The oxygen here is electron rich and this is called as the nucleophilic center. So here the carbon is electrophilic center and here the oxygen atom is nucleophilic center. Now the oxygen atom has extra pair of electrons, it will donate, whereas a carbon will receive or accept and form a covalent bond. This would result into R C double bond O H and you get your products. So this is the way an electrophile and a nucleophile interact during a chemical reaction. Electrophiles are electron donors, whereas nucleophiles are electron donors and electrophiles are electron acceptors, which results into coordinate bonds. Nucleophiles are electron donors and electrophiles are electron acceptors and they form covalent bonds, and this results into the product. We will see some more detailed mechanisms in the other video. I hope that you understood the entire video. Please leave your comments. Thank you for watching. Please be patient for my upcoming videos, and I would like you to share, like and subscribe my channel, and please put your valuable doubts below. Please do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.